Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of chapter 14, creative question answer 1-2. I am repeating, today our topic is creative question answer 1-2 from chapter 14. Students, this is our 17th lecture and 17th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 17th lecture and 17th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about creative question answer 1-2 from chapter 14 and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Creative question answer 1. I'm reading the stem. Kya and Shravani are two sisters. In complexion and physical appearance, they are opposite to each other. Kya is slim and Shravani is dark in complexion. Shravani prefers light color and small prints in selecting her dresses. Kya likes loose and dark colors like yellow in selecting her dresses. While selecting a dress, Kya considers its design and comfort more than the price. Now we'll discuss about the answers of these questions. Our first question, what is personality? I'm repeating, what is personality? The characteristic that an individual has is called personality. I'm repeating the answer. The characteristic that an individual has is called personality. Question number B. Why it is necessary to have good health to become a well-dressed person? I'm repeating, why it is necessary to have good health to become a well-dressed person. A person of a nice personality is able to fight any ordeal of life with a healthy body and a sound mind. A person who is unhealthy cannot express his or her personality properly because a person's tidiness is expressed through his work and gestures when he or she is not physically well. Thus, we can have a pleasant personality with a complete development of our mind and body. Now we'll discuss about question number C, and the question is, why does Shravani give importance to certain color in selecting her dress? Discuss. I'm repeating the question, why does Shravani give importance to certain color in selecting her dress? You have to discuss. Okay. A person's personality becomes faded if the color of dress he or she is wearing does not suit with his or her physical appearance. So, Shravani has to select the color of her dresses considering her complexion. Shravani prefers light color and small prints in selecting her dresses because she is dark in complexion. We know that dark colored dresses are not suitable for a person of dark complexion. That is why she prefers light color in selecting dresses. Her consciousness about the color of the dress helps her to express her personality. So it means Shravani, who is in dark complexion, is aware of selecting her dresses. Her consciousness expresses her personality through her dresses. So be careful while selecting your dresses. Keep in mind your color complexion, your eyes color, your face, your shape of body, everything. Okay students, now come to question number D. Kya is much careful in selecting her dress. Justify this statement. I'm repeating the question. Kia is much careful in selecting her dress. Justify this statement. Okay. Kia is much careful in selecting her dresses. She is a slim girl with fair complexion. A person with fair complexion can wear any color, but it is better to choose light color to wear for a person with dark complexion. Red, yellow, orange are considered as bright colors and they can be seen from distance. So I'm repeating the line: red, yellow, orange, these are considered as bright colors and they can be seen from distance. Kia liked dark colors like yellow in selecting dress. A slim person apparently looks fat wearing dresses of these colors, so Kia's choice is right. She also prefers loose dresses because it is more suitable for a slim person to wear loose dress with full sleeves and small neck. We have also come to know that Kia gives more importance to the design of the cloth and comfort than the price of the cloth. So it is clear that she is careful enough in selecting her dress. I hope you can understand about Kia's choice. She is aware of her dress selecting and she is fair in complexion, so she chooses bright colors, and bright colors are red, yellow, orange, and she selects yellow according to the passage. So we know she is a conscious girl. She selects her dress according to her color and her body structure. So I hope you have understood all the answers. Now we'll discuss about creative question answer 2. I'm reading the question. Poppy is a very intelligent girl who is very much conscious in selecting dress. She gets involved in social activities. People consider her as girl of nice personality. So first question is, what does neatness mean? I'm repeating, what does neatness mean? Neatness means cleanliness and tidiness. I'm repeating, neatness means cleanliness and tidiness. Next, question number B. Describe the importance of considering the shape of a dress in selecting dress. I'm repeating the question. Describe the importance of considering the shape of a dress in selecting dress. Okay, we can say shape of a dress can have effect on the body. It is more suitable for a slim person to wear a loose dress with full sleeves and small neck. On the other hand, a fat person will look less fat if he wears tight dress with large neck and small and short sleeves. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about question number C. The question is, what is the relationship of dress with the personality? I'm repeating the question. What is the relationship of dress with the personality? A person's personality is his or her own characteristics and behavior. There is a close relationship between personality and the clothes that we wear. Beautiful dress shows good taste of mind and increases one's confidence. Thus, dress and personality complements each other. However, we need to know which kind of dress is suitable for a kind of person, and to know this we must know ourselves. So while selecting a dress for a person, we have to know about the person, we have to know about his or her taste and everything, his or her complexion, his or her height, his or her body structure. That means keeping in mind everything, we have to select a dress for any person. Now come to question number D. Social value of a personality is very high. Explain. I'm repeating, social value of a personality is very high. You have to explain this. Social value of a personality is very high. We can achieve our dignity, honor, social status, etc. through an attractive personality. Besides, to achieve success in our life, we need to be a person with a nice personality to get everyone's acceptance in the society. So we should strive to get this. Thus, we can make personality pleasant and attractive by taking care of our health, maintaining discipline, making ourselves independent, keeping ourselves tidy, and adapting ourselves with different situations. Students, I'm going to repeat the line again. We can make personality pleasant and attractive by taking care of our health, maintaining discipline, making ourselves independent, keeping ourselves tidy, and adapting ourselves with different situations. So these are very important lines, because by following this, you can be a good person with good personality. So please follow this in your real life. And I hope you have understood all the answers of these questions. And now it's time to provide your homework. I have given your homework creative question answer C from number 2. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question answer C from number 2. It means the question, what is the relationship of dress with the personality? It will be your homework, and students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 17 and homework number is also 17, and the date of submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.